In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make background transparent in Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your design so the background disappears when you export, leaving only your artwork visible. Start by opening Figma, either in your browser or the desktop app, and head into a file where you want to work. You can use an existing file or start fresh. Transparency is controlled at the frame level, so we'll build our design inside a frame to make export clean and predictable. Create a frame using the Frame tool. You can press the F key or choose Frame from the toolbar, then pick a preset size or draw your own on the canvas. Frames act like artboards and define the area that will be exported, so choose a size that matches where your final asset will be used. Now add a shape inside the frame. You can draw a rectangle, ellipse, or any vector shape you prefer. This shape represents the content you want to keep. Make sure it's placed inside the frame in the Layers panel. Give the shape a fill color so it's visible. The fill color of the shape is what will remain after the background is removed. Next, make the frame's background transparent. Select the frame itself, not the shape. In the right-hand panel under Fill, either remove the fill entirely or set the fill's opacity to 0%. You'll know it worked when the frame shows a checkerboard pattern, which indicates transparency. Be careful not to lower the opacity of your shape, only the frame's fill. If you accidentally dim the shape, you'll export a faint graphic instead of a solid one. When you're ready to export, keep the frame selected and go to the Export section on the right panel. Click the plus icon and choose PNG or SVG. PNG supports transparency and is ideal for web and UI graphics with crisp edges. SVG is vector-based, scales infinitely, and also preserves transparency, making it great for icons and simple shapes. If you need a specific size, set the scale before exporting. Exporting the frame ensures you get exactly what's inside it with a transparent background and no extra canvas. A few quick tips as you finish up. If you see a white background after export, it may be the viewer you're using, not the file. Drop the image into a design tool or browser to confirm the transparency. And if you plan to place this over colored backgrounds, keep your shape fills and strokes fully opaque for the best contrast. That's it. Your design now exports with a transparent background, ready to use anywhere.